Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the system and running the first commands. Open PowerShell as administrator and enable both WSL and virtual machine platform features now. These are required for distributions to install. Once done, execute WSL update to make sure the kernel is current, then run WSL list online to view available distros. If you see none, make sure Windows is updated and your build meets the minimum. Otherwise, proceed to install a specific distro with WSL install dname. Next, install and configure a distribution explicitly so WSL recognizes it. Run WSL install Ubuntu or your chosen distro. If the command fails, use WSL import to add a tarball manually. Once installed, set it as default with WSL set default distro name and launch it to create your Linux user. Make sure you run WSL LV to confirm version 2 or 1 as preferred, and use WSL set version distro name 2 to convert when needed for better compatibility, and finish by ensuring WSL services are cleanly restarted and the distro launches. Run WSL shutdown, reboot, then start the installed distro. Set up SSH keys or packages as needed. If you still see no installed distributions, unregister any broken entries with WSL unregister name and reinstall or import a working routes. One key troubleshooting tip. Verify Hyper-V and virtualization are enabled in BIOS/UEFI. Confirm Windows Update installed the W.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.